What's up, guys? I'm here with Drizzy Drake.
Hey.
Today we're working on his car. What are we doing today, Drake?
We're gonna put some sort of neochrome light tint on the headlights.
Yeah. So you already, what'd you do? Just like you prepped your headlights?
Yeah, I used some 1500 grit on the headlights to get the oxidation off. And I used a 2000 to smooth it down, and then I wet sanded it.
Yeah, so they're pretty smooth now. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
really smooth, so should be ready for the wrap. We just got soapy water.
It's kind of hard to see while it's still rolled up.
Kind of looks pretty pink in the camera, but yeah, it's like greenish and pink, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that'll look pretty good.
Damn, showing off his engine here.
Twin turbo, top mount intercooler. No biggie.
Oh, he's got tape in here too. Can't forget that.
5 horsepower, bro.
Alright, what's our first step?
Well, we gotta cut the vinyl to size, right?
Right.
So
Then we'll soak the headlights in the water.
Yep.
Minked.
Damn.
Oh yeah, there you go. Now you can see the green. Nice.
It's gonna look sick.
So pretty much you just mock it up to it.
Yeah. So
Like that.
cut the right size. So probably about there.
Yeah.
Be good. And then we just trim it around.
Get your fancy Febreze spray bottle.
Soak it up good.
Soapy shit.
Peel this shit off.
Do the back plate off.
Backplate.
I don't know what it's called.
The whole piece?
Yeah, see the whole piece.
I got a lot. I got what, 10 feet of this?
Yeah. Make sure it doesn't touch. I think this is how you do it. I don't know.
And you spray this side, right?
Yeah. Here, I'll do that. Alright, so we fucked up the side.
Yeah, if I can even separate. There
Alright,
we go.
yeah, there. What a waste
That's
of soapy
better.
water.
That feels way better. Okay, fuck.
Oh,
This is gonna
shit.
curl in itself.
Is that the sticky side?
This is the sticky side.
Yeah, okay.
Just trying to hold it while pulling this.
Don't touch each other. Okay.
Do not drop this, bro.
Is there anything here?
Yo, so soapy.
Yeah.
So we're sponsored here by Speeders.
Speeders. No, we're not. They're actually really expensive.
Fuck, man. This is hard.
Yeah.
Never done this before. Have you done tint before?
I've tried it. It's not like sticking. Oh, is it sticking there?
It seems like it's sticking here, so
Okay.
it just takes a lot to... I think it's because it's so fucking wet. I think
Yeah,
it may have
maybe too
oversprayed
much
it.
soap.
Need a heat gun.
Oh yeah, that's what we're missing.
Fuck.
I knew we were missing something.
Fuck. Here. Let me go get a heat gun.
Totally forgot about the heat gun. That's what actually like
I remember that
shrinks it on. Yeah?
that earlier in class, and I was like, fuck, I'm gonna need the heat gun. Where should we start? I'll card it.
Okay. Yeah, we're getting all the air bubbles out with his Cineplex card. Scene points on the card and the car.
Oh!
The last corner. All right, Drake, tell them what happened.
We fucked up.
So this corner's a bitch, so it's already like heat shrinked to the max, and like we got all these bubbles in here because they suck. But we're gonna tear that off after we do the other side and redo it. I think we learned from doing that one, so this one should be a bit smoother. We will see. Next side, baby. Yeah. This side's going a lot better. We don't have any like creasing or anything like that. Getting minked. We know the secrets. We watched how-to videos. And then I'm gonna be redoing this one. You can't even really tell. Oh, maybe you can on camera.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah. That last corner. Check this thing out. Drake's Samurai Shifter. Pretty Japanese. Do you feel like you're assassinating someone every time you shift?
Yeah, man, you know, or a little bit of seppuku, up to you.
Alright, now we're removing this side because of the fuck up. Go ahead. Oh, and we're gonna have to re-clean it too, probably.
Not much. Just wipe it down.
Use that for your fog lights.
Maybe.
Wouldn't be bad.
If we can salvage it, if it'll work.
This side, like this area looks clean where we didn't like heat shrink and stuff. And that would look pretty cool if you had both done. Alright, let's get some water on this thing. Right here, some lemon pledge.
No big deal, bro.
Last bit. They're looking pretty sick. We just have to trim around them. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nice and slow. Damn. Should be using your samurai, man. Alright. It's all trimmed. Damn. This one.
This is hard to do.
Yeah, it's like pink in the light.
Like green in the shadows.
And then yeah, like green in the.
I think you'll see it a lot better when it's in sun.
Shit. Nice.
There we go.
Sick.
You can actually see how it looks.
Yeah. Let's take the tape off too.
Take the tape off.
Let us take the tape off.
Tape's like barely on.
Yeah, it's just soaked. No wet tape.
Sick.
Oh.
It'll look good when they're all cleaned up and in the sun.
Yeah.
Right now you can see all like the little imperfections because the light's casting shadows.
Yeah.
When the sun will be.
Dude, that looks sick though. I really think we should do your fogs too.
I'll close this for you.
Yeah, let's see it with the lid closed. Woo!
Actually, doesn't look like that.
Yeah, I like
It's
it.
subtle too.
Yeah, it's subtle. It's not too flashy. And like, I don't think it affects the lights of
No,
either.
not at all. Doesn't change casting at all. Are they on?
Yeah. Damn. It's like 4 different colors.
Serious?
Oh yeah, my ball right here. But, no, I mean like right here. Like it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh shit. If you're up here, yeah, you can see it, but if you go down here,
Yeah.
it's like barely there. This bulb.
A lot of it's the camera too. It's dope. Yeah, like it doesn't affect. It's still like white. White. Yeah, if any of you want to buy JDM with like shit ton of room, This thing's perfect.
It's fast too, for what it is.
Yeah.
280 horse, bro.
Yeah, 280 horse. Twin turbo wagon.
Minked.